Today I'm at JCC. We're going to be testing the V50 Retrofit. The downlight holes as a standard now tend to be sort of 68, 70 mil. To make the ceiling size wider or try and patch in the ceiling to make that light fit can be an absolute nightmare. So today we are in the research and development studio, and we're looking at some products which solve that problem. So I've fitted the V50 Retrofit a few times in the past. The driver is super accessible. It opens up on either side, allowing basically complete access to the terminals. It's got the correct IP rating, so when it snaps shut, that cable has got the strain relief. It's push fit, so it's super fast, and then the light itself is just plug and play. The can size itself is always the same size, and it's just the bezel and the springs that change. So it means that you're never going to have to cut out any more of the ceiling to make it fit or adjust anything. You've got a lot of play to make them all line up perfectly without any gaps. They're still colour selectable, so if your client decides after installation that they want cool white rather than warm white, for example, you can just go and flick a switch without having to take any fittings down, without having to make any mess. It's important for manufacturers like JCC to talk to electricians, because the age-old problem of getting onto a site and thinking that might have worked really well on a CAD drawing, but when it actually comes to getting a cable in there or putting it in the ceiling or whatever it might be, it just doesn't work. Sometimes it's hard to put it down to one kind of tangible thing, but just how easy they are to work with. And I don't have any callbacks, I don't have any flickering with them. They've been designed by electricians for electricians.